tutorial on how to apply for bursary at BSix College. So the first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and you want to go to BSix College website. And once the website loads up, on the menu, which is located on the left, you want student information, financial support. Before you apply for the bursary, please ensure that you read the 16 to 19 bursaries information so that you are fully aware of what type of bursaries are on offer and what evidence you will need to upload for your application. So you've got the bursary for vulnerable groups, you've got a discretional bursary too. Again, please ensure you read all of the eligibility criteria. Once you've done that, you scroll right down to the bottom and it says apply for bursary, and you'll find a link there for a portal called PayMyStudent. So we're going to load that. You need to log in using your Microsoft Office 365 account. So we're going to say sign in with Microsoft Office. And I'm going to use a student test account. So you just use your ID number and then make sure you put @b6.ac.uk. Enter your password. And that will take you into the student portal of the bursary application form. Now, this is the home page of the bursary. What you will find is all of your personal details already on here. So again, this is a test account. So it says here that I'm studying AS level chemistry. However, whatever your study program is, it will be listed down here. Now, to begin the process of applying for bursary, you simply just click on this button where it says click here to proceed with your application form. Once you do that, it will bring up all of your personal details. So the first thing you need to do is check that the personal details that automatically load up, like your date of birth and your address and your tutor, is all correct and accurate, as well as the courses that you're enrolled on. If this is all correct, you hit next. And now you go through the eligibility questions. So there's quite a few questions here that need to be answered, but you will not be able to proceed until you answer all of these questions. So the first question is about the income of your household, and you need to choose one option that best fits your situation. So what is the level of income in your household? Is it 0 to 7,000, and etc. It goes down. So select whatever you think is appropriate for your household. The next question is about the source of money in your house, in your household. So this is about your parents. So are they in full-time employment? Are they self-employed? You can tick as many of this. Are they in receipt of universal credit, or are they in receipt of universal credit plus they are getting their pension? So this is quite a key indicator of how we allocate bursary. So please tick all that apply to your household setting. In the next section, this is about you, and you got to please select a category that applies to you. So are you in care? Were you previously in care? Are you an asylum seeker? Do you receive universal credit in your own right? So this is not about your parents, it's about you. Or do you receive disability living allowance in your own right? And if none of these apply, then you must tick the bottom one where it says none of the above. This is a question about your past. So were you in receipt of free school meals in year 11? If you were, select yes. If you weren't, no. And then finally it says, what is your main method of travel to college? So do you take the bus? Do you take the train and bus, walk, cycle, other? So for this purpose, I'm going to say I take the train. Hit next. Once the page loads up, it will now ask you to upload your evidence of eligibility. So I selected that my household income, that the family are in receipt of universal credit. So there's a blue box here that says click here to upload your full Universal Credit Award statements last 3 months. I also selected that my family is in receipt of a pension or pension credits, and again you need to upload those files. Now you will not be able to continue with your bursary application form until you upload the document. So to upload your documents, just click, and again on the phone, if you're using your phone to do this, that's not a problem. It will use your camera on your phone. So I'm just uploading some files. And then I hit next. And then finally, you need to have your account, bank account details. You're going to need your sort code, your account number, the name of your bank, and then your name. Once you've put in this information of your bank details, you hit next again. And then this will take you now to a final summary page. Now this summary page is quite important because you just need to check all of your details. So check your personal details are correct. Check the courses that you're studying here at BSix. Just check over that this is what you have selected throughout the application process, that you are in receipt of universal credit or pension. And then again, it's just checking over your form, and then right at the bottom you have to tick the declaration to state that all of the above information is correct. So you hit the tick, you sign, and you hit submit application. Once that's been submitted, you just get a thank you page, and that's it really. Your application has been submitted. And all correspondence from moving forward is to your college email account. So when decisions are made on your bursary payments, you'll be notified via your student BSix college email account.